Hello guys, in today's video we are going to discuss how to use OBS Studio. Let's start the video. First, open your OBS application. Now you can see the interface of OBS application. Now you can see here start streaming option, start recording option, start visual, virtual camera, studio mode settings. You can see here a black screen. Just go on force, click this plus icon, click on this plus button. Now choose the option display capture. Now click on OK. Now press again OK. Now you can see the screen is capturing the display. Now you can see at the settings option. Go on settings. Now is the general setting. Just select the language which you want to use. Select the language. Now leave it as it is. Now go on appearance. Now you can see a theme. Yummy selected. Leave it. Now you can see a style. If you want to change the style of your OBS Studio, you can change it like you can see here. I have selected classic, gray, light. I will select the by default option. You can also increase the font size from here. Can maximize it and minimize it as well. And you can change density of this OBS Studio also from comfortable, compact, classics, normal. Then you can see a stream option here. From here you can select the platform where you want to stream your videos on YouTube, Twitch, Facebook Live, Restream, Twitter, WHP and all etc. Now choose go on option. Now you can see your output mode. Just leave it as it is. Go on audio. Just leave it as it is. Go on video. When you go on video, you can see here 1440 into 900 resolution. Just select this output resolution and change it like base resolution. Select it like base resolution. Okay. Now here is a hotkey. Leave it as well. Accessibility, leave it. Advanced option. No need to do anything in such options. Now just click on OK. Now you want to start your screen recording. Just click on start button. When you click on start button, your recording will start it. When you click on stop button, it will stop. And one more thing, the file you want to save in the directory, you can change the directory of saving your file as well from output. Just go on output. You can see your recording path. You can change your recording path as well from here, output option. And you can change the recording quality also, recording format as well, all the basic settings. I hope you guys find this video very useful. Don't forget